Are you sick of rent prices draining your bank account? I mean, seriously, why are we all working so hard just to hand half our paycheck to a landlord every month? Rent prices are skyrocketing, but what if I told you there are genius ways to save money, hacks so creative, you've probably never even thought of them? In the next 10 minutes, I'm about to flip the renting game on its head, so grab a coffee, sit back, and let's talk about how you can keep more cash in your pocket. Let's face it, rent has become ridiculous. In cities like New York or San Francisco, people are paying upwards of $3,000 a month for a shoebox-sized studio. And even smaller towns aren't cheap anymore. It feels like the system is stacked against us. But here's the thing. While everyone else is just complaining, you can outsmart the system. All it takes is a little creativity and some insider knowledge. I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have 7 rent-saving hacks that most people have never heard of. Number 1. Co-living spaces. First up, company living spaces. No, I'm not talking about basic roommates or sharing your grandma's basement. Co-living spaces are these incredible new setups where you get a private bedroom but share luxury amenities like co-working spaces, gyms, and even cleaning services. The kicker? These places often cost 20–30% less than traditional apartments. Look up companies like Common or Outpost Club. They're popping up in cities worldwide. Number 2. Rent negotiation secrets. Here's something landlords don't want you to know. Rents aren't always set in stone. If you've been renting for a while or if the unit's been sitting empty, you have leverage. Bring up market comps, offer to sign a longer lease, or even ask for perks like free parking. Trust me, most landlords would rather negotiate than risk losing a tenant. Number 3. The seasonal move trick. This hack blew my mind. Rent prices fluctuate with the seasons. Most people move in the summer, so landlords jack up prices then. But if you're willing to move during the winter, yes, even if it's snowing, you can snag huge discounts. Studies show that rents drop by 5–10% in off-peak seasons. So yeah, moving in January might be cold, but your wallet will thank you. Number 4. Rent-to-own opportunities. Here's a game changer. Rent-to-own agreements. These are deals where part of your rent goes toward eventually buying the property. It's not for everyone, but if you're tired of throwing money away on rent, this could be your ticket to building equity while you live in your dream home. Just make sure to read the fine print. Number 5. Get creative with subletting. Okay, this one's a little spicy. If you've got extra space, a spare bedroom, a den, or even a couch, you can sublet it on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. It's perfectly legal if you get permission from your landlord. One friend of mine rents a 2-bedroom, lists the second room online, and ends up paying half the rent. Talk about beating the system. Number 6. Trade skills for discounts. Are you handy? Maybe a graphic designer or writer? Some landlords are open to exchanging skills for rent discounts. Offer to do minor repairs, landscape the yard, or even run their social media page. It sounds unconventional, but you'd be surprised how often landlords say yes to creative solutions. Number 7. The secret of rent-controlled units. This last hack is like finding a unicorn. Rent-controlled units. They're rare, but they exist in cities like New York, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. The trick is to do your research and apply early. Pro tip. Connect with local housing organizations. They can help you find these gems faster than you would on your own. Look, you don't have to be at the mercy of skyrocketing rent prices. These 7 hacks are living proof that with a little creativity and strategy, you can beat the system and keep more money in your pocket. So, which of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. And subscribe for more life hacks, money tips, and ways to make your life easier. See you in the next video. How to save $10,000 fast and 6 rights that can make you $14,638 dividend per month.